Would you like to learn faster and memorize information for a longer time? And have you ever thought about the brain's anatomy and thought, is it possible to store one information in multiple parts of the brain? Then this course is for you. Hi, my name is Leon Chaudhry. I'm the CEO and founder of My Teaching Hero, and I currently already teach more than 31,000 students in 34 courses here on Udemy. In this course, I will take you on a journey of self-discovery. For instance, which kind of learner are you? Are you an auditory learner, a visual learner, a reading/writing learner, or are you someone who is a kinesthetic learner? We will discover which kind of learner and which kind of intelligence suits you the best. So what exactly are you going to gain from enrolling in this course? In the beginning of this course, I will introduce you to Superlearning and Accelerated Learning. I will explain how we are going to combine both concepts and will show you how we are going to connect both sides of our brain through methodical training. Afterwards, we'll talk about different types of learning, such as auditory learning, visual learning, reading/writing learning, and kinesthetic learning, which we will then connect with each other in order to connect both sides of our brain. In this regard, we will also talk about the 8 different types of intelligence, remembering key terms and repetition cycles. When you're finished with this course, we'll have completely rewired your brain, and you'll be capable to increase your learning speed and ability to remember and retrieve information immensely. While other courses leave you confused, this is an A to Z guide, the complete masterclass on Superlearning. Now, I want my students to feel comfortable when they make a purchase. That's why I've provided multiple free videos for you to watch at any given time. Also, I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to risk, but everything to gain. It's time to take action. This offer won't last forever, so go ahead and click on the Enroll in this course button right now, and we'll see each other inside the course. Thanks again for enrolling.